Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing how to use mesh laundry clothes washing bags in top load and front load washing machines. Now you are seeing 5 washing bags, all are different sizes, all have zipper lock. First I will show you how to wash bra and panty using this bag. Let me take one small bag, then fill these bras. So we can fill like this, then close the zipper. Next I will show you how to wash masks. Let me take another small bag, then put all these masks inside that bag. I am going to use this bag. We can use these bags in fully or semi-automatic front and top load washing machines. We can also use these bags for packing clothes during the travel. Okay, now I have prepared 2 bags. So let me open a washing machine. I am using front load Samsung washing machine. Let me open it, then put all these bags inside and close the washing machine and start it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.